Hey there, it's Sonia of Sonia H Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you how to unzip a Procreate brush library. Let's go ahead and start off here in my iCloud Drive. I've downloaded my zip file here where my dot is, and I'm going to go ahead and tap on that one time. Tapping on it once will open the file. The file is a .brushset file. A .brushset file means that it's a Procreate library, and usually a library has several brushes in there. This could very well just be a .brush file. The .brush file for Procreate just means it's one individual brush. So let's go ahead and tap on this .brushset file one time. You'll see it says importing, and it will open Procreate automatically. If we come to our brush library and go to the very top, this is our newly imported brush set file. From here, we can just tap on any of the brushes and use them. I want to thank you, and if you've learned anything, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Moving forward, I will be posting quick videos just to show you how to do things in Procreate or Keynote. And if you'd like to keep in touch, consider subscribing. Thanks again.